Okay, this is a follow-up to my Rapido. Where do these parts go? Somebody suggested to me, research it. I'm like, they would have that boxcar on the internet? So I actually typed in the name of that boxcar. Boom! Picture of a brand new Southern Pacific. And I saw where I forget what that like barcode thing goes. Figured out where that goes. And then I looked a little closer at my model, and I saw there were these two little holes by the coupler where you could put that bracket in. Let me show you the bracket. This little part, it goes right there. So now I kind of understand kind of how their team over in China, gosh, they got to have nerves of steel and steady hands, because this is rough for me. My hands are shaking and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, as you saw from my shaky video, I figured it out. The one thing, that little bracket that goes up by the coupler, that did limit the travel of the trucks. So I was thinking, if you had any kind of sharp radius, like if you were switching or something like that, that would limit the travel of the truck. So I didn't install them, and you really can't notice it. But I did install that, I keep forgetting what it's called, that barcode thingy. That was easy to do. But the trick to that is you have to, I'm using a Tamiya thin cement, CA, super glue basically. And the trick is you put it on the car, then you affix that label to it, that barcode thingy, and let it sit for like 10 minutes. Because if you don't, it's gonna, I guess when you put CA cement on paint, it's not a real solid fit. So you just have to let it sit there. So that's it. A little 1 minute of research pays off. So, oh, and again, how I found the bracket is I had to take the trucks off, and I saw two holes, and I'm like, oh, that's where it goes. I installed it, and then it's going to limit the travel of the trucks. So that way, just again, the internet is your friend. Google University. I typed in the name of the car, boom, it's right there, a brand new one, Southern Pacific. And I'm like, oh, that's a beautiful car. Looks like my model. No graffiti, nothing. Anyway, have a great weekend, guys. Bye.